How to use Afterpay single-use card. Afterpay single-use cards are often sent via email or provided directly when making a purchase with Afterpay. If required, activate the card by following the instructions provided in the email or packaging. Use the card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like you would use a regular debit or credit card when making an online purchase. Enter these details during the checkout process on the merchant's website. Confirm the payment details, including the amount to be deducted from the card, and complete the transaction. Afterpay single-use cards are designed for one-time use only. Once the transaction is completed, the card becomes inactive and cannot be used again. If needed, you can check the remaining balance on the single-use card by visiting the Afterpay website or contacting their customer service. Be aware of the expiration date of the card. Ensure you use it before it expires to avoid any issues during checkout. Thanks for watching the video.